Welcome to Assistive Tech Hub. Get ready, because today we're exploring the mind-blowing gadgets that could be coming in 2025. From AI companions to wearable holograms, these tech innovations feel like they're straight out of a sci-fi movie. Let's dive in and see what the future might hold. Imagine wearing a bracelet that projects holograms for calls, notifications, and even gaming. That's what the rumored HOLO-X Band promises. A wearable holographic display on your wrist. This gadget could eliminate the need for traditional screens altogether. It's wearable tech like we've never seen before. Meet the future of AI assistants, the MyAI Orb, a compact interactive device that uses advanced AI to learn about you and adapt to your needs. From mood-based playlists to personalized reminders, it's like having your own digital best friend. This is AI companionship at its finest. Helpful, intuitive, and always evolving to support you. Say goodbye to charging stations. The Infinity Charge car concept uses advanced solar panels and kinetic energy systems to charge itself as you drive. If this becomes a reality, we could revolutionize sustainable transportation forever. The NeuroPods earbuds could take wearable tech to the next level, allowing users to control devices with their thoughts. Yes, you heard that right. These earbuds tap into neural signals for seamless control. Imagine texting or scrolling without lifting a finger. Mind control is officially here. Coming in at number 5 are the Visionary Lens 2.0 smart contact lenses with built-in AR capabilities. From GPS navigation to real-time translations, these lenses turn your vision into a digital interface. Forget glasses. This is augmented reality on a whole new level. Dreaming of a kitchen assistant? The RoboChef AI is a fully autonomous robot that preps, cooks, and cleans up after meals. Just select a recipe on the app and let the robot do the rest. Cooking just became effortless and mess-free. By 2025, drones like the SkyDrop 2025 could deliver packages directly to your door within minutes, all while being completely autonomous and eco-friendly. Fast, efficient, and environmentally friendly. This is the future of delivery. The Workspace Pro is a futuristic workspace pod that provides a fully immersive virtual office experience. With VR screens, noise cancellation, and ergonomic design, it's perfect for remote workers. This could redefine how we work from home. Total focus, zero distractions. The VitalLink 360 wearable is a next-gen health monitor that tracks everything from blood sugar to hydration levels and adjusts your diet or medication in real time. This tech could make preventative healthcare more accessible and proactive than ever before. Finally, we have the EcoGrid Home, a smart energy management system that connects your home appliances to a shared grid. It optimizes power use and even lets you sell surplus energy back to the grid. Not just smart homes, these are homes that give back to the planet. These are just a few of the amazing gadgets we might see in 2025, and the future is looking brighter and smarter than ever. Which of these gadgets are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on the latest in tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the future.